Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. What we are looking at is Lockwood MT5. Now this platform's been used under different brand names as well around the world, but the announcement that I've just found out about is this one here. MT5 is going obsolete. So they're basically no longer supporting the MT5 platform. So let's just have a little look at that. We'll read through that in a minute. So the MT5 platform is very similar to multi-lock interactive. It's got a floating element. It's got the inner and outer pins. As you can see here, this is what they call the alpha spring, but it's also called a floating element as well. It's very similar. Basically, it has a little pivot and it moves back and forth and has to be aligned for the cylinder to work. So the MT5 has these inner and outer pins, very similar to multi-lock as well, and it also has this side milled groove going along the side. So the big question is, what's the difference between MT5 and MT5 Plus? And from what I've been able to gather, it is this sidebar. The difference is the sidebar. So one has a standard sidebar, like it uses a sidebar and it's all kind of standard. The other one, you can actually vary the sidebar. So that's what I found it to be. If I'm wrong, put it down in the description down below. Sorry, the comments down below. But anyway, MT5 discontinued. Not quite. MT5 is going to be discontinued, but MT5 Plus will still be continuing without interruption. So basically, they're getting rid of the old junk. They're clearing out the old junk. All the cylinders that will be affected are going to be your inner 201 barrels, 530, 570, PD, Euro, and all that sort of stuff. So in theory, if you're going to be installing any cylinders in the future, you might want to actually purchase and stock up on your MT5 stuff before they discontinue it, because if you ever have a system or a customer that needs an extra cylinder later on down the track, you might not be able to do it. So MT5 and MTL 800. So here we are here. So MT5 can go into this new MTL 800, but 800 can't go into MT5. I guess that's what they're sort of going from that. All right, yeah, so MT5 Plus is still going, but MT5 as a base product is going to be discontinued. It is still a good product. I don't know why they discontinue it. I reckon they should just bring it out at a cheaper price, allowing people to get used to their nice fancy keys and you know, the nice rounded, nice red color inserts with the slightly slanted head. It's kind of a fancy key. So don't know why they discontinue it. They should just sell it as a cheaper option and have MT5 as a more expensive option because it's higher in security and things like that, but that they know better. But looking at the cylinder here, I'm looking at it, looks very similar to multi-lock interactive. You've got this half moon anti-drill part of the equation, which just goes above the plug. You've got your ball bearings, your side pins. Look at the amount of meat on that locking bar. There's quite a bit. You've got the same cams as the multi-lock interactive, so that it shares a lot of different features there that are kind of the same. So this is the key machine as well, and this is worth the amount of probably a new vehicle in your fleet. It's worth as much as a car. On saying that, it's all computerized and all the rest, and compared to the multi-lock interactive where we've got a mechanical key machine, that one's about 3,000 to 5,000 approximately. This one here is about 30 plus, 30 to 50, somewhere around there. It's just way expensive, but I'm assuming you'd be able to cut MT5 Plus on it. I mean, I'd be pretty upset if you bought it back in the day and it only cuts MT5 and not the Plus versions now. Yeah, and just looking over there, some of the cylinders. So MT5 Plus still going, MTL 800 still going, MT5 base model has been discontinued. So will that affect some people? Maybe if you've got some big contracts. But for most people, I don't think it really will. They can simply upgrade to the MT5 Plus or leave the sidebar out or do something along those lines. The MT5 will continue till 2093. The keys will be discontinued, and the MTL keys have been supplied since 2023. So MTL 8 looks like the new one that they're going to go to replace all of this. Anyway, MT5 obsolescence. Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.